Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to go back with B&D Chronicles, starring your host, Beamer, Dawn, with their two boys, Tyler and Bradley. Together, and with their two children, this dynamic duo make up what is known as B&D Chronicles. So as they're out and about, just peeping around, you never know who these two might even run into. It could be Graham, it could be aliens, it could even be this guy. It could even be this lovely couple right here. So strap yourselves in, make yourself comfortable, and get ready to go back with B&D Chronicles.
Made a quick stop in McDonald's and look at these toys. These toys, the Barbie and Hot Wheel toys. I haven't seen that since I was a kid. Holy crud, I forgot to welcome you guys back to the video. I just started it off like it was nothing. How's it going? So yeah, we're still headed southbound. We're going through New York. We're making it to Virginia tonight. And it's great to go down the countryside again. It's been a while. It's a lot of fun. To end, going into the first part of autumn. It's nice. South down the road again. Now we're on our way towards New York City. I got the power. One last look at downtown Hartford and the Connecticut River.
Scotty, I need you on the bridge.
Leland, get back in your cell. Don't make me get the hose.
Up the stairs we go. Up into the channel.
Smile, smile. Oh, it's not Toontown. So we've actually gotten off of the road that we were on. We're on Highway 15, and we ended up encountering a couple of low bridges, and one of them was definitely too low for us. And now we're on Park Avenue, somewhere in Connecticut. I'm not quite sure. Looks like a really rich town. It appeared that we are actually in Bridgeport. Look at these houses. Had to take a quick look-see. Park City, that's what it's called. Look at those little trees. But now we're heading down this way. We're just gonna keep on going this way until we hit it. We're definitely not in Kansas anymore, Toto. And I bless the rains down in Africa. Here we go. Moving right along. Footloose and fancy free. Into the city of White Plains. We're on West 287. The moving doctor. It was really moving for me, sir. Yes. Yes. And those people really are moving. They're really hauling it. Governor Mario M. Cosmo? Did you guys see that? Mario? Well, it is New York after all. Ooh, right along, look at this little beauty. Just goes to show you, you never know what you're gonna see on the open road. A wonderful thought, any merry little thought. Just across this bridge, zipping on by, we arrive right into the next state of New Jersey. So after a couple of reroutes and stuff like that, it's been a little nuts. We're having to change tonight's reservations. Could be boondocking it, I don't know just quite yet. We're still trying to get out of the city and a place to stop. We are now actually in Newark. Heavy traffic on the other side there, but heading this way to the turnpike, and New York City is just over that. Right over there is downtown Newark. Just over this rise is New York City. There's the One Trade Tower, Empire State Building. Yeah. Just right there. Yeah. We lived in New Jersey during 9/11. I was almost 16 years old when that happened. It was just another month. And I turned 16 and I actually got a job, my first job. We lived in Jackson, New Jersey, just around the corner from Six Flags Great Adventure. So it's kind of interesting to be back in this area after a long time. Back this way to the New Jersey Turnpike to hit 95. We were on 95 earlier, however, the GPS kind of threw us on a little bit of a crazy turn. Take one last look at the Freedom Tower in New York City. We'll see you later. Real quick, to quote one of my favorite movies from Abbott and Costello, they're headed through the Lincoln Tunnel. It's a spacecraft just went through the Lincoln Tunnel. Sonny, you've had enough. We interrupt this broadcast to tell you that a spacecraft has gone through the Lincoln Tunnel. And then the bartender ends up taking the drink out of the bystander's hands. Actually, the bystander was coming out of the bar during the day and then went back in. It was pretty funny. Now we're headed south back towards Trenton. Getting back on track. What can you do? Count it all joy, I guess. It's an adventure, and you guys are along for it. Have you guys figured out where we're going yet? Still not telling. Where could we be going? I won't tell. That would be cheating. Now I'm going to tell the computer exactly what it can do with a lifetime supply of chocolate. You get to almost drive alongside a low-flying aircraft going right into the Newark airport. Pretty cool. Right over the highway. I can tell you how many times we've done that in different states and stuff. Ooh, JetBlue, one of my favorite airlines, just landed. Another one taking off there. All right. We'll get you guys to the next sequence. I'm having a little too much fun here. We'll see you in a minute. Hey, how do you shut this thing off? What's that beeping? So right now we're kind of dry docked off of the highway over here at Walmart. Picking up supplies with the mom. We're gonna go inside and get some stuff for tonight, and then we're on our way to our destination, which we should be there very shortly. On our way into Walmart, actually, before we actually disembark from you guys for a minute. Look at this postal fire truck. The spout on the top, that is so cool. Kind of looks like the one in the cars, except this one's white. Success. At least I think it's somewhat success. Finally done, and now we're on our way to our destination. Hey, Mom, you want to do what I like to do?
What's that?
Jump from here.
Whoa.
That was pretty cool.
Whoa.
I know.
So,
I'm disoriented still. Hold on. Where are we?
we're at a KOA just before we get into Delaware?
Yeah, in New Jersey.
Near the Delaware
near
Memorial Bridge.
South of Cherry Hill, I think
It's been
it
a
is.
heck of a day.
Yeah.
Didn't get as far as we'd like, but we're still doing good.
That's
So
right.
we're going to let you guys go for the night. We'll see you very, very soon. This one's Chronicles. Stay safe.
Stay strong.
Stay positive.
That's right. Right, Bradley?
Yeah.
All right. Bye-bye, everybody.